Hey guys, Matt here. Today I'm going to show you around my $500 scooter that I just bought. So this is my Derby Boulevard 150, and you can tell by the name it's got a 150cc engine and runs like a champ. It's got 35,121 Ks on it, as you can see here. But it looks like a piece of trash. Look at this. Like the seat's got all this tape all over it, which looks bad in the first place. What else do we have? We've got the pillion footrest right here, which has come undone. Need to fix that up. And then here we have like scrapes on the paint. I don't know if I'm gonna really bother about that because it's a $500 scooter. I don't really mind much about the paint, but it's more about the functionality of it, and I don't want it to all fall apart, so that's why I'm going to be doing the pillion seat, and I'm just doing the exhaust to make it look, I don't know, a bit more respectable, and same with the seat. If you know anything about scooters, it's been rebranded from Piaggio, so this is a Piaggio motor in it, and Piaggio own Derby, and I think the Vespas also use the Piaggio motors, so the thing's really reliable, so I thought it was a good buy for $500. I have many plans to fix this scooter up. First off, I'm going to be revinyling the seat, and then also I'm going to do something with the plastic because it looks really like dry. So I've got this special stuff which will be able to make it look a bit more wet. So I've tried it out on the back here, as you can see. So you got dry, wettish. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. And also I'm going to be doing the exhaust pipe. I'm going to spray paint that black. So inside we've got storage. So we got the helmet in here, which came with the scooter. It's a bit scratched up. I might spray paint that. So we've got quite a bit of space in there. And then we have the fuel tank right here, which we open that up. It's got a 9 litre or something fuel tank, I don't know, something like that. And then we have more storage inside here, which you just turn, undo that, put your phone and wallet in there. That's what I do. It's a good spot. Alright, so I'm going to start it up, see how it sounds. I just got a service on it, so it runs butter smooth. I was riding it around yesterday, put about 10 or so Ks on it. So we'll start it up. So here we are. It's running fine. Oi. Give it a bit more gas. So it runs great. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the introduction of my $500 scooter. New videos will be coming out of me doing the seat repairs, everything else, and should be good, so thanks for watching.
Never gonna say goodbye.